Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sriram Devarajan. In this video, I am going to discuss chapter 4. Before proceed towards exercise 4.1, this is introduction part for chapter 4. The topic is quadratic equation for CBSE class 10 mathematics students. First of all, what is quadratic equation? One must know definition. The quadratic equation is a polynomial equation in a single variable with degree 2. It is a polynomial in a single variable with degree 2. Quadratic equation, other name for quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. If I take one example, x square, single variable x, degree of x is 2. Another example, x square plus 5x plus 6, single variable x, power of x, that is degree of x is 2. Both are quadratic because of power 2. This one example for quadratic, this one also example for quadratic. Also, it is an algebraic expression with degree 2. Every quadratic equation has two solutions. Every quadratic equation has two solutions. Because of power 2, it must have two solutions. Next, standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. If a happens to be 0, it becomes bx plus c. This is not quadratic, this is linear, because power of x, x power 1, therefore it is linear, not quadratic. Therefore a should be not equal to 0. Now, methods to solve the quadratic equation. First one, factorization method. Second one, using quadratic formula. One example, I am going to discuss two methods separately. First, I am going to solve one example by using factorization method. 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Multiple these two terms. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Find the factor for 6. 2, 3, 3, 1. Here one factor is 2, another factor is 3. 2, 3, if you add minus 2 minus 3, value is minus 5. Therefore, I am going to write this minus 5 as 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Take 2x outside, x minus 1 minus 3 outside, x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 into 2x minus 3 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1. Similarly, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x equal to 3. X equal to 3 by 2. We find two solutions. Because of quadratic equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Now I am going to solve same example with the help of formula using quadratic formula. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. B formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. I am going to solve the same problem with the help of this formula. What is a? 2. What is b? Minus 5. What is c? 3. Substitute all this in the formula. 5 plus or minus root of 25 minus 4 into 2 into 3 by 2 into 2. 5 plus or minus root 1 by 4. 5 plus or minus 1 by 4. One of the value 5 plus 1 by 4. Another value 5 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, x equal to 6 by 4. X equal to 4 by 4. If you simplify 3 by 2, here x is 1. By applying the formula and getting the same answer, x is 3 by 2 and x is 1. Now, one important result, that is nature of root. 1. D greater than 0. 2 distinct real root. D equal to 0. 2 equal. D less than 0. No real root. What is this D? D is nothing but b square minus 4ac. If you proceed to solve with the help of quadratic Straight away we find the nature of roots before solving the problem with the help of d. The d is b square minus 4ac. If we find the value for d greater than 0, roots must be two distinct real roots. If d equal to 0, roots must be two equal roots. If d less than 0, roots is, we can say, no real roots. Here in this video I have discussed nature of roots, three cases: d greater than 0, d equal to 0, d less than 0. What is d? B square minus 4ac. And also with the help of formula I have solved one example. The formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. And also with the help of factorization method I have solved one example. Also in this video I have discussed standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. If a equal to 0, it becomes linear, therefore a should not be equal to 0. And also definition of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is a polynomial with a single variable of degree 2. This is example for quadratic equation. Another example for quadratic equation. I have discussed introduction part for chapter 4 quadratic equation in this video. I will proceed exercise 4.1 in the upcoming video. If you like this video, share it with your friend, subscribe it for more video. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.